Okay, so good night, y'all. So let me see if I'm a little bit centered. Happy New Year. First of all, we definitely have to start out with that. Happy New Year. Happy, hope you guys had, if not a great 2024, at least you know are grateful to make it to this brand new year. And since it's a brand new year, it's a brand new month, you mean it is new beginnings. Whatever that did not work out for last year 2024, you know you got a chance. You always have chances to do things, do what you want to do, make it right, make you reach that goal. So super excited for this year, y'all. I want to thank you guys so much for the support that you guys have given me all over the years. So I will be looking around. My makeup is actually on the floor because my sink area is small, and I have something though that I added in my Amazon storefront to just spread on the sink, so I can just rest everything there while going out. So one moment. We are headed out to our first event for 2024, and that is Frenchmen party. You know, Frenchmen is always a good vibe. So just getting ready for that. But I just wanted to start off my first vlog for 2024, just getting ready with you guys, just talking about the highs, the lows of 2024 with you. And I hope you guys will engage in the comments when I post this video. Just engage and, you know, share your thoughts on how your 2024 went and all of that. So my 24 is definitely highs and lows. I think a lot of lows. I think I've had a lot of lows this year, and I think I need to turn on this. Yeah, so what I was saying, I think I've had a lot of lows and a few good highs as well, that's how life is. Life is up and down, roundabout, a roller coaster, a bicycle, climbing a mountain. Life is just everything in one. Life is everything. Crazy, fun, super sad. I definitely need to purchase a little vanity and add in my bedroom area, so it's just so much easier to do my makeup sitting and talking to you guys while I'm getting ready. That definitely be a little bit easier, right? I think I can speak with you guys and use this. I think this is a little bit better and easier. Yeah, so what else was I saying? This is definitely gonna be difficult, y'all. I literally got 40 minutes to get ready. And all of that. Maybe this was not such a good idea based on the time I need to be ready for, and I know, you know, I'm not sitting down and have everything in one place. I have to be bending down on the floor here looking for my stuff. Probably should have just organized everything, yeah? So not me. That's one of the things I definitely need to work on for 2025, is to be a little bit more organized. I'm thinking to get a diary. I'm not sure yet, or a journal. One second. Yeah, I'm not sure yet if I need it, because anything I have on my list, I just add it in my phone, the notes section. But you know, I was told that writing down stuff is just, you know, I can try using that method of writing down stuff physically instead of just having it in my phone as a note and all of that. So I'm definitely thinking about that option. But back to, I don't really want to talk about the negatives of 2024, but just know that I have lost people, not as in death, but they're no longer in my life, and that was definitely God's will for that to happen. You know, certain situations where you realize that you are trying and it's just not making any sense. Why can it not work out? Why there is issues after issues, and you know, you realize that that person is not your person. That person is not your person. And when and I mean, they have, when a person say to you, for example, I will marry you, that is a sign. When people tell you their true feelings or speak anything at all, there is some truth in it, and you know, they will definitely mean it. So I need to start like taking people words for words, because that's what they truly and really mean, that hey, I don't really see a future with you. And when somebody says that, hey, believe them, believe them, believe them. So yeah, definitely had a few lows, definitely had some highs, you know. I'm on my way to starting my new business adventure. Super excited. I won't tell you guys anything about that as yet until I launch. It should be between the end of January going into February. Super excited about that. You guys know I moved to a new space. My last space was just, I was so uncomfortable. There were so many issues. I was dealing with bugs, I was dealing with insects, like it was just so much stuff I just couldn't handle anymore. So yeah, all right, let me hurry up and just finish something and I'll start talking back, because the time is running like crazy. Oh my god.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay.
Alright guys, so I have no idea where I'm even at in the conversation. I told y'all this was a bad idea, but you know, that's how vlogging goes. Like, you can have an idea in your head and then sometimes it doesn't work out. And it's not even vlogging only, that's just life in general. You have something in your head and you're like, okay, I can do this, I have enough time to do it. And then, because I literally could have started at 4 o'clock today, but I was actually editing the video that your guys are seeing today, January 1. And then after that, I was just, well, I was getting my stuff ready. I put all my clothes on the bed so that when I'm ready, everything is just in one place. So I wasn't like idling much, but I could have started today at 4 o'clock, giving me enough time to get ready. But I just wanna just wish you guys all the best for 2024. We definitely have to cut this conversation for not 2024. Wishing you guys the best of 2025 and what's to come. Procrastinate if you guys are one of those people like me. Try to get that out of your life, grow out of it, get procrastinate out of your vocabulary. It no longer exists for 2025. Get it out of your mind. Anything that you guys have planned out, whether written in your brain, make that first step in doing it, and don't give up on whatever it is that you have planned for not just only 2025 but for the rest of your life. And I hope you guys have already visioned how you would want to see the rest of your year and life going, and just work towards that goal. That's it. And always remember God, always remember to pray too about it. Just ask God for help. Like whenever you are stuck, ask anybody for help, your friends, your family around you, somebody who you can trust. If you need guidance, if you need counseling, just ask for help. Ask for it. Okay guys, we're gonna finish getting ready and yeah, let's go.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe?
Hey guys, so guess what? I was still at home, getting ready, etc. By the way, I'm at my cousin's house. So the dress that I currently have, I'm not able to zip it up on my own. So I had to just come over to my cousin's house and finish getting ready. And yeah, we are ready for the road. I'm just trying to fix my natural hair so it just kind of blends in with the curly hair. If you guys are hearing the noise, it's the bathroom fan. Yeah, I don't know, just try to keep it that way. Yeah, but I'm really feeling the look. I really love this look, y'all. This look is stunning. The red lips, the red pop. Anyways, we're ready. We're gonna head out to the party, so let's go have some fun. Start off for New Year with some fun, hanging with good people and all of that. So let me just give you, if you can see, a little full a video of my outfits. When I get to the party, definitely gonna see more videos, but I wanted to just show you guys this. How this is looking. This is so dramatic. Oh my god, so dramatic, y'all. Yeah.
adventure. Imagine golden dunes stretching beyond.
Once again, want to big up the masterclass.
Say what, say what, yeah.